Hello everyone, my name is Aura Singh. Today's topic is carrot. Carrots are good for your eyes, good for your health, and let's begin. Carrots have two colors, orange and green. Should we begin? Yes. Don't forget to take a pencil, eraser, and if required, a scale. If you're a beginner, you have to use a scale to make the carrot straight. If you're not a beginner, like me, you can not use scale. So let's begin. First, we'll make the carrot. We'll make this line. After making this line, we'll make another line, and after that we'll make an oval half like this, so it looks like a carrot. After this, we will make this. It looks like small fingers, but they are not fingers. They are rabbit's hairs, or you can say they are the roots. After that, you have to, if you make a mistake, you can use the eraser. Any type of eraser you can use. After that, you have to continue this step. I'm making these 3 lines so you can understand that you have to continue making this after the video or right now, and you can pause it. So right now we have to write on the heading carrot. C-A-R-R, you can say O-T. After writing carrots, you can use color pencils. I will use orange. You can do this whenever you want. So my carrot looks like this. May not be good, but still you can improve it anytime you like. Thank you.